viewers. In this video we'll see how to make wave like this type of roof in Autocad. Okay, let's see. I'll make input inches. Okay, let's see 40. I'll make 9 inches wall inside. Okay, just I'll make rectangle. Then option 9 inches. Okay, region. Subtract. I don't know something problem. Okay, I'll make 20 feet. 20 feet height. Okay, let's start. I'll go front view. I'll using spline command. Okay, see. Sorry. Okay, adjustment down. Okay, just similar shape. Whatever if you want, try to do. Okay, go by top. Just move this on front. Okay, same thing. Back side also. Okay, and okay, I'll use loft command. LOFT loft select. Okay, cross section mode. Okay, let's go shade and move. See how it's slope. Okay, now okay, we have to give thickness for this roof, and another thing you have to close. I like to close this edge to this wall. Okay, let's go plain view. Front. I draw spline. Okay, just delete, create on from. Okay, Oh, this. Okay, now this is center. We have little bit inside wall. It's look nice. That's why. Same thing. Loft. Okay. Now pick this and pick this edge. Using control. See. Go to shadow. See how it's look. This is the model. Okay. Now same thing. If you want to close this edge, make okay here also and back side also. Okay. Let's see side and close how one side. Okay. Just I'll draw single. Okay. Using left this line and edge. Left. Okay. See. Okay. Same way you have to finish like here also. Now we have to give some thickness of this roof. Okay, I'll use thick. Just select this surface. Okay, space and give the dimension. I'll give 3 inches or something, whatever if you want. Okay, see, same thing. Here is also okay. See how it's slow. Using something like this is wave concrete. Sorry, wave roof. Okay, anyone need more explanation about this type model? Text me. I'll update new tutorial about this. Okay, thank you. Bye.